Rever EPL 15326. Let's do this giveaway for the Man United. One, two. I forgot to remove United. 1 second. Avoiding that one. Of course, Man United won't be on the list, so they can't win themselves. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leeds on top after 5 spins. Starbar Lane, congratulations. Oh boy. Squads is down to 1 left. Revolution down to 3. Definitely get into punters. It is loaded this week. Just the Buccaneers. Edison. That is very nice. To 25 for Man City. With all the planets in the background. Sanchez. Ben Pearson. Oh, geez, double up. Chem Campbell. Number to 25. 11 to 25. 2 to 25. James Madison. Alvarez, Infinite Shea Adams. De Silva, Infinite Mo Salah. Shockwave, Aronson, Fractal, Matty Cash, Sakumara. Vutfast, Infinite Vieira, Kenny Tete. Felipe Coutinho, Fractal, Lerma. Drama, Infinite Dier. Supersonic Zaha, Fractal, Almiron. Shockwave Pereira, Fractal, McNeil. Tavernier, Infinite Struick. Bobby Clark, Diamonds of Lodi. Futures of Concerto, Fractal, Levi Colwell. Samiento, Infinite of Fabio Cavallo. Yes, it is. Supersonic of Tarek Mitchell, Fractal, Connor Cody. Yeah, that sounds right. Marquinhos, a Timothy little double pack. Timothy Castagna, numbered to 50, Sunburst. Matt Target, Infinite. And that is that for Revo PL 15326.